Reproduction in Animals, Part 22. In this part, we will learn about placenta. Placenta is a flattened disc-like organ in uterus of pregnant woman. It is temporary structural and functional connection between fetal and maternal circulation. It is responsible for supplying oxygen and nutrients to fetus and for removal of carbon dioxide and wastes produced by fetus. It is attached to the wall of uterus and to the baby's umbilical cord. Look this figure. It is the placenta and it is the part of uterus in which the fetus is located. So this placenta is a flat and disc-like structure and it is attached with the uterine wall or the wall of uterus. And this placenta is called as the structural and functional connection between fetal and maternal circulation. यानी ये प्लेसेंटा वो स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसकी मदद से मदर और फीटस के दरमियान ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होता है और इस ब्लड से उस फीटस को ऑक्सीजन भी सप्लाई होती है और न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी सप्लाई होते हैं और उसके साथ इस फीटस में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तैयार होती है और वेस्ट तैयार होते हैं वो इस फीटस से मदर सर्कुलेशन में चले जाते हैं. तो ये प्लेसेंटा जो है मदर्स बॉडी और फीटस के बीच कनेक्शन होता है. दिस फीटस कंसिस्ट ऑफ two types of tissues. The first type of tissue is prepared by the fetus and this part consists of number of chorionic villi as we learned in the previous lectures. And this part with chorionic villi is called as chorionic frondosome or fetal placenta. Then the second part, which is prepared by the mother's blood vessels and it is richly supplied by the blood. This part is called as decidua basalis or maternal placenta. So this placenta is the tissue which consists of two different types of the tissues, that is from the fetal tissue which consists of the chorionic villi and the mother's tissue which consists of large number of blood vessels. This placenta supplies nutrients and oxygen to the fetus, and it also receives the wastes and carbon dioxide prepares in fetus. The placenta and the fetus are connected together by a cord-like structure which is called as umbilical cord. This umbilical cord consists of 3 blood vessels, 2 arteries and 1 vein. These arteries supply oxygen and nutrients to the fetus, and the vein carry carbon dioxide and wastes from the fetus and carry it towards the placenta. So this is the fetus present in the uterus, and it is situated in a sac-like structure which is called as amniotic sac. This amniotic sac is filled with amniotic fluid, and there are 2 coverings around the amniotic sac. Outer covering is called as chorion and the inner covering is called as amnion. And this fetus is attached with the placenta by umbilical cord. In fetal placenta, there are number of chorionic villi, and the space between these chorionic villi are called as intervillous spaces. So there is the connection between the fetus and placenta. Placenta also acts as endocrine gland because it secretes 3 hormones, that is HCG, progesterone and estrogen. HCG, which is secreted by placenta, it indicates pregnancy, as we learned in the previous lectures. It is called as human chorionic gonadotrophin. Then the secretion of progesterone and estrogen by the placenta. Are required for maintenance of pregnancy. प्लेसेंटा एज ए इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड भी एक्ट करता है और ये 3 हार्मोन रिलीज करता है, पहला होता है HCG। HCG का लेवल फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर के एंड तक इंक्रीज होता है और बाद में ये डिक्रीज होने लगता है और प्लेसेंटा से इसका सिक्रेशन इंडिकेट करता है प्रेगनेंसी को। बाय द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर प्रोजेस्टेरॉन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द प्लेसेंटा। with estrogen. These hormones are required for fetal growth and maintenance of pregnancy. फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर के एंड पर जब HCG का अमाउंट डिक्रीज होता है उस वक्त प्रोजेस्टेरॉन और एस्ट्रोजन ये दोनों हार्मोन का अमाउंट इंक्रीज होता है और ये ज़रूरी होता है फीटस की ग्रोथ के लिए और प्रेगनेंसी को मेंटेन करने के लिए। थैंक यू।